Have you ever noticed those peculiar bubbling or gurgling sounds coming from your sinks, showers, or toilets? It can certainly be a bit unsettling, making you wonder what is truly happening within your plumbing system. Well, let's get right to it. Those gurgling sounds in your drains are a clear indication of trapped air within your plumbing system. This usually points to either a partial blockage in the drain pipe itself or an issue with your plumbing's ventilation system. The core mechanism behind this sound is quite simple. As water flows down a drain, it creates a vacuum. To maintain proper flow, your plumbing system relies on vent pipes to introduce air behind the water, preventing this vacuum. Think of it like pouring liquid from a bottle. If you don't allow air in, the flow can become gluggy. When a drain is partially clogged or a vent pipe is blocked, the water cannot pull air in freely through the vent system. Instead, it pulls air through the water trapped in the fixture's P-trap, creating that telltale gurgling sound as the air bubbles up. To tackle this, first observe when the gurgling happens. Does it occur in just one drain, or do multiple fixtures gurgle when water is used? If it's isolated to one drain, a simple, partial clog is often the culprit. You can try a natural solution like pouring half a cup of baking soda down the drain, followed by half a cup of white vinegar. Let it sit for about 30 minutes, then flush with hot water. For a more stubborn single drain clog, a plunger can work wonders. If the gurgling is widespread or accompanied by foul odors, it often suggests a more significant issue like a main drain line blockage or a clogged vent stack. Vent stacks, which extend through your roof, can become blocked by leaves, debris, or even animal nests, preventing proper airflow. Understanding this not only helps pinpoint the problem but also guides your next steps, whether it is a do-it-yourself fix or knowing when to call a professional. Keeping your drain and vent systems clear is crucial for the overall health of your plumbing. Neglecting these gurgles can lead to slower drains, persistent unpleasant odors, and even potential water backups. Addressing these early warning signs ensures smooth operation and prevents more costly and inconvenient problems down the line, giving you peace of mind and a quiet, efficient home.